Imran Khan has said that he will go for a hunger strike. Within the grip confirms of Pakistani prison, hunger strikes have emerged as a desperate form of protest and hollowing treatment to plight of incarcerated individuals. Throughout Pakistani history, hunger strikes have played a pivotal role in exposing systematic failure and advocating for justice and ultimately bringing about transformative change. The origin of hunger strikes in Pakistan prisons can be traced back to earlier decades of 20th century. During British era, prisoners resorted to hunger strikes to demand better living conditions and protest against arbitrary punishments. In the aftermath of the Pakistan's independence in 1947, hunger strikes continue to employed as a non-violent means of resistance against tyranny and oppression. One of the most significant hunger strikes in Pakistan history occurred in 1965 at Karachi Central Jail, led by renowned poet and political activist Halib Jalib. The strike lasted for over 50 days and gained national attention. Halib and his fellow inmates demanded the release of political prisoners and end of torture and mistreatment. Another pivotal hunger strike took place in 2010 at Adiala Jail in Rawalpindi. Inmates, primarily political prisoners, protested against inhuman treatment, solidarity, confinement, and denial of basic rights. The strike lasted over 2 months and resulted in death of 3 prisoners. Prisoners in Pakistan resorted to hunger strikes for various reasons. Some seek to protest injustice within the prison system itself, such as overcrowding, poor living, inadequate medical care, arbitrary punishments, and other hunger strikes towards their political grievances, demanding fair trial, the release of political prisoners, or an end to human rights violations. Hunger strikes are not taken lightly. They are last resort for prisoners who feel their voices have been silenced and the basic rights denied. The physical and mental strain of a hunger strike can be severe, often leading to malnutrition, organ damage, and even death. Government response to hunger strikes in Pakistan prisons has varied over time. In some cases, authorities have met the demands of striking prisoners, resulting in improved conditions or release of political detainees. However, there have also been instances of heavy-handed crackdowns within the prisoners facing further punishments or even forcible feeding. Police perception of hunger strike in Pakistani prison is often divided. Some view them as legitimate forms of protest, while others condemn them as disruptive and counterproductive. Nevertheless, hunger strike has been gained significant media attention and played a key role in raising awareness about the condition faced by individuals. The struggle of hunger strikes in Pakistani prison has been supported by a network of dedicated activists, lawyers, human rights organizations. These groups have played a crucial role in documenting abuses, providing legal assistance to prisoners, and advocating their rights. The work of these activists has been helped to bring the issue of prison hunger strikes to forefront of public discourse and has contributed to positive changes in some cases. However, there is still much work to be done to address systematic problems that led to hunger strikes in the first place. To prevent future hunger strikes and ensure the protection of the prisoners' rights in Pakistan, several reforms are urgently needed. Overcrowding, unhealthy conditions, uneducated medical care, and Issues should be addressed and funding should be given to improve the management. Fair and impartial trials. Prisoners should have access to fair and impartial trials when they should be protected from detention and torture. The government should engage a dialogue with the political prisoners to address grievances and find peaceful resolutions. Regular and independent monitoring of prisons by human rights organizations and government agencies is crucial to ensure accountability to prevent abuse. Hunger strike in Pakistan prisons are a reminder of ongoing struggle of injustice and human rights in the country. They are testament to desperation and resiliences of prisoners who have been silenced and denied their basic dignity. While the hunger strikes are the symbol of resistance and advocacy, they also highlighted the systematic failures that must be addressed to a certain point, and inhuman prison system in Pakistan should end. By working together, advocates, lawyers, government officials, and the public can create future for where there would be no hunger strikes and prisoners are treated with respect and compassion.